Imagine walking into a bank and getting approved for almost any loan with the best interest rate. Lower monthly payments. Higher credit limits. More financial opportunities. What's the secret? It's not being rich. It's having an 850 credit score, the highest credit score you can achieve. The good news? You don't need a six-figure income to build excellent credit. In today's video, I'll show you the exact habits people with top credit scores follow and the mistakes that destroy your score. Let's begin. 1. Understand how credit scores work. Your credit score isn't random. It's based on 5 main factors. Payment history. Credit utilization. Length of credit history. New credit inquiries. Credit mix. Once you understand these, improving your score becomes much easier. 2. Never miss a payment. One late payment can seriously hurt your score. Set up automatic payments or reminders. Even paying the minimum amount on time is much better than paying late. Consistency matters more than perfection. 3. Keep credit utilization below 10%. This is one of the biggest secrets. If your credit card limit is $5,000, try to keep your balance below $500. The lower your utilization, the better your score looks to lenders. 4. Don't close old credit cards. Many people think closing old cards improves credit. It usually does the opposite. Older accounts increase the average age of your credit history. The longer your history, the stronger your score becomes. 5. Limit new credit applications. Every time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry may appear on your report. Too many applications in a short period can lower your score. Only apply when you actually need new credit. 6. Check your credit report regularly. Mistakes happen. Incorrect late payments or fraudulent accounts can reduce your score. Review your credit report regularly and dispute any errors quickly. 7. Build a healthy credit mix. Lenders like to see that you can responsibly manage different types of credit. Examples include credit cards, auto loans, student loans, mortgage. You don't need every type of loan. Just manage the accounts you already have responsibly. Common mistakes. Avoid these common credit score killers. Missing payments. Maxing out credit cards. Applying for too many cards. Closing old accounts. Ignoring your credit report. An 850 credit score isn't built overnight. It's built through small, smart financial habits repeated month after month. Start by paying every bill on time, keeping your balances low, and avoiding unnecessary debt. If you stay consistent, your credit score will improve, and so will your financial future. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Wealth Avenue for more practical money tips every week.